Hi friends, I'm here with a new video. How to use a mosquito vaporizer as a room freshener. I hope you will support me. In monsoon and winter season, we feel some foul smell in our house due to moisture. As we all use this mosquito vaporizer, we are going to use this as room freshener. This liquid is used for mosquitoes. I am removing this and I am taking an empty bottle. Now I am spraying my perfume into this bottle according to my need. Even you can use car perfume ambipure. You can remove the top and pour it. In ambipure you will get a different fragrance. Since I have poured only a little liquid, I am holding upside down to get the stem wet and fixing to the machine. Now you can use this and experience the perfume smell. Now I am removing the bottle from the machine and again plug in it. Above this machine I am keeping car perfume gel. This also can be used as a room freshener. Thank you friends for watching this video. I hope the video will be useful for you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will come again with new tips.